Deputy National Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya has turned to the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria to challenge his suspension, arguing that the National Police Commissioner General Fanny Masemola admitted to violating established disciplinary procedures. Sibiya was suspended earlier last month following explosive allegations by KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Ndlela Mkhwanazi. Mkhwanazi accused him of stealing and concealing critical dockets linked to high-profile political killings and of colluding with Police Minister Senzo Mchunu to dismantle the task team probing those matters. In his replying affidavit, Sibiya accuses Masemola of unlawfully sidelining him without affording him a chance to respond to the allegations. He insists the suspension was based not on a formal investigation, but on the Mkhwanazi's televised claims. In his answering affidavit, the commissioner conceded he did not comply with or even have recourse to the discipline regulations when he made the decision to instruct me to stay at home. Sibiya contends that Masemola suspended him prematurely and is now attempting to retroactively justify his actions by invoking constitutional powers, a move Sibiya says is invalid because Masemola has already acknowledged procedural errors. According to Sibiya, Masemola is unfairly acting as complainant, investigator, and decision maker in the matter. He further argues that the commissioner's promise to eventually refer the case to an independent disciplinary hearing cannot cure the unlawfulness of the initial suspension. Sibiya also accuses Masemola of shifting narratives. Initially, Masemola allegedly claimed that Sibiya personally ordered the withdrawal of the task team dockets, but in his latest affidavit, Masemola stated that the directive to disband the unit came directly from the police minister on 2 January 2025, which was then conveyed to Sibiya the following day. The suspended deputy commissioner maintains that he merely executed orders from the National Commissioner's office and that the attempt to blame him is an effort to deflect responsibility, and that the disciplinary process is immediately tainted, stressing that he was suspended based on untested allegations heard in a media briefing. He's now seeking a court order declaring his suspension unlawful and directing Masemola to reinstate him to his position. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.